Netflix series that's run into controversy. Inside scoop of the IMB meeting with the head of Netflix content. Government has asked Netflix why no caption or riders were issued repeatedly to make it clear that the real names of the hijackers were not that. Why hijackers looked firm and sensitive, whereas negotiators appeared weak and confused. Netflix assuring, and in response to the questions being asked by the centre, that not just now, but in the future too, Netflix will ensure that they keep national security in mind and ensure that content is child sensitive as well. Let me quickly cut across to Aishwarya joining us for more on that. Aishwarya, please give us a quick understanding as to the conversation that's currently happening between the centre and Netflix content creators. We hear that Netflix has positively responded, saying that they're going to ensure that content is sensitive, keeping in mind national security and the nation's sentiments, etc. They will ensure to thoroughly look into the content of series that will be put up henceforth. But does that mean there would be any change with the current series IC814 that's running already on Netflix right now?
Well, Nabila, from what we are understanding, we are now expecting that disclaimers and continuous disclaimers, even at the beginning of the series and when those particular scenes take place, we'll see a disclaimer of sorts running in the band, through which Netflix will tell the viewer that these were not the actual names, these were the names which were being used way back in 1999, because this is what Netflix told the government, that it's, what we did, our research was 100% solid. It's just that we forgot to tell the viewer that this is exactly what took place way back in 1999, because for a lot of people, they are watching it for the first time. They do not know what happened exactly on that day. So for the viewer to get exactly 100% facts is what the government asked them to do, and said that you did mention that the names were the ones that the terrorists were using. Those were not the real names, but why no disclaimer was put? That's something that the government has been harping about, not just in this meeting, but over the past many meetings that they have had with the content creators. The government also very clearly said that when we saw the series, we could very clearly make out that it was the terrorists who actually were very, very firm, while those who were negotiating, they seemed to be on the weaker footing. That is something that really did not happen. So on that, Netflix content creators were being pulled up. Netflix has now given an assurance that it's not just this series, but the other series also, they will make sure that they keep all these things in mind. Disclaimer, Nabila, something that the government has been speaking about. The government also, during the meeting, said that we are not against Netflix, we are not against content. Time and again, the government has been giving out a very clear signal that do not think we don't want you to produce content. We want you to do that, but you need to make sure facts are 100% correct. And in case there is some kind of disclaimer that you need to put, not just at the beginning of the series, but throughout the series, then that is something which is a must. That is something which could become a deal breaker, a potential deal breaker in future talks between Netflix and the government. So that's something that Netflix at the moment has agreed for.
So we should all other OTT platforms as well, not just Netflix. All other OTT platforms too will have to take a cue from this. Meeting with Netflix content head will certainly set precedents.
Well, definitely, and that is the signal, Nabila, that the government wanted to send out, that it's not just Netflix, but all the other platforms should also be very mindful. If they are doing something like this, then putting out disclaimer, not just at the beginning of the series, throughout the series, is something that all the content creators will now have to look at. Nabila.
So to break it down here, the questions that were asked of the Netflix content head is why no captions or riders were put in place, repeatedly reminding the viewers that these are names, code names that were used for hijackers, these are not their real names, etc. But one thing's for sure, that the names that were used in the series as well is exactly the code names that were used by the hijackers in reality too. Was that clarification done? What more did the government highlight there?
Well, the government clearly highlighted the fact that your research was 100% correct, because, Netflix, in fact, let me tell you, came with documents. They presented the government with all the screens. They told the government the kind of research that went into making this particular series. So all those things were discussed, but the government very clearly said that if this actually is the case, if you are explaining it to us, then you also need to explain it to the viewer, because a lot of people, the young ones especially, do not know what happened on that fateful day way back in 1999. $20.99. So they are watching you. They are believing everything that you are giving them. They are believing your platform. So you now need to give out a disclaimer saying that these were not the real names. These were the real names, and the names, the code words which were being used were these specific code words, so that facts are not distorted. That is something that the government spoke about. Netflix, let me tell you, was very was actually okay with this, and from what we are expecting now, continuous disclaimers, Nabila, let me tell you, will be put out, scrolls will be put out, and this is just the beginning. We will see other platforms also following suit, and also we understand that Netflix has given an assurance that these changes will take place as soon as possible.
All right, thanks very much, Aishwarya, for joining us on that. Some hard questions asked of Netflix content creators, asking why there were not riders that were put in place to ensure that the people watching that series are aware that these are not the real names, these are code names, that there's a lot of history that was distorted. According to the government sources, tell us that there was some amount of history that was distorted in that series, so that needs to be put in check as well, to which Netflix has positively responded.